International law firm George Cunha. Why we're the best choice regarding matters of EB5 and non-EB5 projects in Brazil. International law firm George Cunha is specialized in private international law and offers several types of services related to this area. One of our specialties is to support Brazilian investors that want to move legally to the United States through the EB5 program. Since 2013 we have a partnership with AMCHAM American Chamber of Commerce and start to promote and disseminate the EB5 program in Brazil. With this partnership, we create and develop a guide, how to get a permanent resident card green card through the EB5 program in the US, which is in the second edition. Since then we have been conducting in partnership with AMCHAM events and seminars promoting and educating Brazilians about the EB5 program. By 2018 our office has started to promote events alone in several cities in Brazil, where it was addressed the legal forms to migrate to the US with a focus in the EB5 visa. After the work developed during 2018, we found out that, among the ones who came for the seminaries, there were people interested in, not only in EB5 projects but also to know more about forms of how to apply investments in the United States. We were questioned about the possibilities of investment in other assets on several occasions. We always find people questioning about other forms of investment in the US with a good return. After reflecting a lot, we conclude that this non-EB5 market is extremely promising and there is practically no one in Brazil exploring this sector. In a base of these perceptions, we created a new line of presentation in our seminaries where we separate a period of time to show not only EB5 projects but also other investments. Options for the participants of diversification their assets in the US with excellent returns. The idea is to offer the diversification of assets for Brazilians investors to feel safer in case of an exchange, political and even economic crisis like the one that Brazilians are living today. Many people in Brazil do not realize the enormous tax benefits given to non-resident aliens making passive income in the United States, or earning income outside the United States and simply using the USA as their own personal international financial center. The United States does not tax non-resident aliens for most interest income or dividend income derived from the United States. There is zero capital gains on profits from investments for non-resident aliens. There is zero tax on income earned outside the USA. Only active United States-derived income is taxed. Also, various tax treaties give a United States company certain tax advantages when doing business outside the USA. We set up in our presentation the important information of how no resident Brazilians could benefit of federal, state and municipal tax exemptions in the US. One of the ways is to open a sole proprietorship (LLC) in the US and avoid taxation getting the benefit from the tax exemption in their passive income. Through some legal maneuvers, is possible to add valors to the incomes of these projects through some legal exemption in the US and Brazil. The international law firm George Cunha believes that this market is extremely promising and, if well planned and explored, it could generate excellent business to our partners. We were several times mentioned in 2018, and also already in 2019, in BBC News Brazil, Folha de São Paulo, Infomoney and other media publications as a reference of the EB5 program in Brazil. Our websites www.programab5.com.br and www.vistosamericanos.com.br appear in the first page of Google when the search is the focus on the terms Visto EB5 or Programa EB5, which give us an unprecedented advantage over our competitors. We receive every month almost 1,000 visits on our website www.programab5.com.br of Brazilians who seek information about the EB5 program. In 2013 were 19 Brazilians that migrate to the United States through EB5 visa. In 2015 were 219 Brazilians. In 2017 were 282 and in 2018 were no less than 388 Brazilians who decided for the EB5 visa. The tendency is that in 2019 exceeds the rate of 400 Brazilians. We're specialized in private international law, which qualifies us to offer a service of excellence to our clients. If your objective is to promote non-EB5 projects in Brazil and manage to Brazilian investors to invest in your enterprise, spoke with us who have experience, knowledge, and credibility in the Brazilian's market. Get in contact and know more about how we can promote your project in one of the most prominent economies of the world. Make the best choice.